These guys have traveled all over the world. Last year they were in Guatemala, Jamaica, Canada, and all over the rest of the world doing this. That's one of Corey's favorite stunts on his video. He does that, probably 80, 90 mile an hour. Corey likes to drive his bike, but he don't like to sit on it, so he drags himself quite a bit behind it or next to it. Here he comes again. Corey, keep off. Put it together with Corey. He loves to drag that back end. I think the fender says one rider only, no passengers. I still think it's got to be hard on the guy in the front when he lands that. There goes Corey. Corey loves that speed. Faster the better for that guy. Yeah. She knows these guys personally. That's the only reason she's going to trust him like that. All right, let's give a big thank you to the DA. Front of the dash. There's an end note. Put your hand. So Corey's using his buddy's bike, relearning everything because every bike is different. That's got to be Corey's favorite stuff right there. Last night we had the privilege. Dan and Corey wanted to show us the real stuff, so we stuck out on an old back road where there is no traffic. And these guys were performing their stunts at 100 to 140 mile an hour. It was quite impressive.
Listener discretion is advised.
All right, put them hands together. Hold on. That's the one thing these guys go through a lot of. That is rear tires and shoes. Get intermission, we'll get them up here. They'll thank some of their sponsors. Without their sponsors, this is not all possible. This is a very expensive sport, as you can see. Go between 20 and 30 new rear tires a year. Would you let him borrow your bike for the afternoon? I don't know about that. He says, oh yeah, let me ride it. All right, put the hands together for the guys. Have it so quick, we'll have them do it again for you. There we go, how about that? Big warm welcome to our events coordinator, Penny Berg. Penny is also from the same town these guys are from, Wausau, Wisconsin. Every day and not expect to get a little tired. They work hard at this. Like we said, they've been together now for 6 years. You guys have been together?
Yeah, about that. Like you said before, professionally about 3 years. I'd like to thank everybody Drew today too. He's the guy filming right there. I blew up my engine and my bike yesterday. That's why I was just standing up at 12 o'clock. I'm not able to do anything on that. He borrowed me his bike. Trust, but that's what I'm riding today. It's all I got.
And if he blows that one up, somebody in the audience want to lend him their bike? He's not that hard on him. Urban and Gory Kupo, all the way from Wausau, Wisconsin.
The engine star for oil or something, and I just slipped the rod bearing. It still runs a little bit, so maybe on later in the day I might start it up, see if it'll blow up or what might happen. It just doesn't get up to full RPM, so it'll probably only last a good minute. But,
as you can see, the bikes take their wear and tear, there's no doubt about it.
The field here, quite excited when we opened up this new concept. Afterwards, like we said, they'll be over here under the tent signing autographs. They got t-shirts, video coverage, everything you might want. We'll see what these guys do.